Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the BNB Smart Chain to your Coinbase wallet. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Coinbase wallet on your phone. Then you want to click this icon at the lower right corner of the screen, this one. Click on it. Then you want to click the gear icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's the settings. Then choose networks. And from here, you want to confirm if BNB is already added on your account. By default, it's already added, but if it's not there, just go ahead and search for it right here. Now, you can also go back to confirm, choose add crypto, then choose network. And from here, you can also confirm that you've already added Binance Smart Chain. And that's it. You've successfully added BNB Smart Chain to your Coinbase wallet. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.